Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of phrasal verbs using run. So if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and share it with your friends. Let's begin. We are going to see the phrasal verbs related to the word run, where the meaning gets changed when you use different words with it. So let's see the first one, that is run into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly. An example with that would be, I ran into my old friend at the grocery store yesterday. Next one, run out of. It means to use up all of something. Okay, so you don't have anything left out of what is there. Okay, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy more. So milk is all empty. You don't have any other packet of milk. Next one is run away. It means to leave a place or a situation, often without permission. So example would be, the dog ran away from home, but we found it later. This is a normal meaning. Okay, that usually you may be using these words. Next one is run after. It means to chase someone or to pursue someone or something. The children ran after the ice cream truck. Next one is run across. It means to find or encounter something or someone by chance. Run across. So example is, I ran across some old photos while clearing or cleaning the attic. Ran across. This is the word that has to be used here. Okay. Next one is run out. It is to reach the end or the limit of something. Usually used in cricket and all. This run out is used. Okay, so it is, the movie is almost over, we are about to run out of time. Next one is run for. It means to attempt to be elected to any position. That is run for. So she decided to run for student council president. Decided to run for. Okay. Next one is run down. It means to criticize or belittle someone or something. Example, she always runs down her co-workers in meeting, which creates a negative impact. Okay. Next one is run through. It is to quickly review or practice something. Example is, let's run through the presentation one more time before the meeting. The last one for this video is run up. It is to accumulate or increase something, usually in terms of expense or debt. They ran up a huge bill at the restaurant after ordering a lot of fine. So ran up a huge bill is to accumulate or increase something. Okay. So these are the verbs related to run. When used in different manner, it gives a different meaning. I hope the video was useful to you. If you enjoyed this video and you want to have similar contents, just subscribe to the channel, comment your feedback in the comment box. If you enjoyed the content, give it a like. Thank you for watching. See you in the upcoming videos.